Dollylocks Professional Organic Tightening Gel. It is available in coconut, aloe lime, and it's a natural blend of organic coconut and aloe vera. It works exceptionally well for taming loose flyaway hair while keeping dreadlocks hydrated and nourished. With vitamins and essential oils, it will help to improve hair elasticity and repair elemental or chemical damage. All ingredients are residue-free, water-soluble, leaving behind nothing except perfect, tight, and healthy dreadlocks. Organic aloe vera works as a natural conditioner, repairing the hair while promoting healthy hair growth. Algin, which is a seaweed-based ingredient, helps soothe skin irritations as it is high in omegas and minerals. The tightening gel is packed full of vitamins and plant extracts designed to strengthen and protect your hair and scalp. When using this product, it is very concentrated, so a little bit goes a long way, and you want to use this on damp hair. Not dripping wet hair, not dry hair, damp hair. So when your hair is freshly cleansed and it is towel dried, pump about 4 pumps into your hand, rub your hands together, and just take a section of dreadlocks and run the gel through. It isn't meant to be smothered onto individual dreadlocks because that's just using too much product. So save yourself a little money and be a little conscious and just use a tiny bit. You can always add more if you need more.